Hey, it's your girl Roach. Today we are doing a little prom get ready with me. And as you can see, we have dived straight into concealer and foundation. I used the Better Skin Concealer from Maybelline, the Anti-Age Concealer, and we used the Fit Me Foundation. After multiple layers to cover up my dark circles and imperfections, we started baking underneath the eyes and underneath the cheekbones, a little bit on the forehead and on the chin. Basically all over my face so I wouldn't be oily the entire night for my makeup to melt off. When I'm telling you I was cake-faced, I was cake-faced. But I made sure to put on a primer. I didn't mention that, but I used the e.l.f. Pore Minimizing Primer and Stick, and that really helped to keep everything together. But now, as you can see, we are jumping into the eyes. I'm diving into two palettes for this entire look. It's the Tarte palette, I don't know what it's called, and then we have Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills Cosmetics. I'm over pretending I know how to do makeup, so I just let my sister take this away for the night, and she did an incredible job, so shout out to her. She has a YouTube channel as well. I will link it in the description bar. But we can see her going from shade to shade, building up some color. You see it get darker from time to time, and there's a lot of blending, which some girls didn't do. But anyways, blend, honey. I was really inspired by this makeup look that Daisy Marquez has done in the past, and I use that as reference for tonight's makeup look since I was wearing a black and gold dress. I thought this would really complement it and then make my eyes stand out. For now, we are just dusting off the bake, and I look super white, but we're going to jump into bronzer in no time, trust me. The entire makeup process took about an hour and a half, and there was a lot of dust going into my eyes. And this is my favorite part right here. Just pay attention to my little exorcism moment that is going to happen while putting some eyeliner in the waterline and tightline. Just wow, appreciate that. Ew, my laugh and my voice are so dusty and musty right now, but this video needs to get up because prom was just an incredible moment, and I'm so happy to have seen everybody looking so bomb and snatched, and you just make the most of it, and I did exactly that. I promised we would get into the bronzer, and I kept that because I looked like a ghost. There was a little bit of flashback in pictures, but for the most part, I'm just going to insert a few right here and just tell me that that wasn't a moment that I should have snatched the crown. I believe most of the eye makeup is done at this point, so I started putting on some mascara. This is an e.l.f. Volumizing Mascara just to get them a little darker for the eyelash process. Just kidding, I lied. We have some brow highlight going on under that brow. Okay, so I didn't mean to sing that, but we have some brow gel going on, so they last all night. And then here we're just putting the lashes on, which took forever, but they were on so beautifully. The thing that I loved about these eyelashes is that they were so thick, so whenever I blinked, I fluttered a little bit into the air, and it was just so dramatic. Alongside this highlighter that we have going on above the cheekbones, and then we're going to go onto the bridge of the nose and the center to look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. If you know me, you know that I sing just about anything that I say, so if you're into it, hit the subscribe button and show some support because a girl has been through a lot, but her YouTube comeback is on the rise. Honestly, I lost count of how many times that we used setting spray, but I'm telling you, when this is on all night, it was on. Oh, we're back. We're back, a little demon. This was my least favorite part of the entire makeup process. I was clenching my little ass cheeks. But anyways, we have some more concealing happening under the eyes because there was a little smudge underneath, and we just needed some brightening anyways because my dark circles can suck you into another dimension. Because I concealed, some of the eyeshadow underneath kind of faded away, so we reapplied that, and now I'm going into a layer, my first layer of mascara on the bottom lashes because I missed that while doing the first. Right now, my sister is taking off the curls that I had on my head. These are heated curls with little clips to keep them in shape, and the end result was so funny. I felt like Willy Wonka. after a little contemplation on what to do with my hair, because it was a little bit wild, just decided to put it up in a little bun moment, and it was tied into different little strands with several bobby pins. Like my entire head was full of metal due to the bobby pins. Getting ready was a breeze. I put on some black strappy heels and zipped up my dress, and we were ready to head out the door. My friend Allegra put together this little compilation of scenes from the night, so I hope you enjoy and had a great prom as well.